The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Licking County until 6 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Heath, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Newark, in addition, Brownsville, Hanover, Grady, and to those that are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following: Interstate 70 between mile markers 133 and 142. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the